we're going to meet Governor Christie's bus tour in Newton, over in front of the Newton Theater at 3 p.m. today. So if you'd like to come join us, we've got some banners prepared. Oh, sorry, let me back up a little bit. I gotta get it all. And
Look at the basement, dude.
and we have all the garbage bags.
Take two.
All ready to inflate. And we're gonna put Fenimore Landfill and his anti-environmental administration on notice today. So come join us. Thanks. 3 p.m. right in front of the Newton Theater
We'll be
in the
there at
parking
12.
lot across the street. We'll be there for a few hours before that getting prepared. So come on down.